Sebastian Vettel had a stellar performance at Baku by finishing P2 after starting from P11 and scored Aston Martin's first podium since their comeback. In a recent interview, he was asked if the team is still motivated, to which he replied, "In general, I am on the grid to win. We are currently not in a position to do this, but as a team, we are motivated. We are all here because we want to win. I have already done it and it felt good, so I want to experience it again." Vettel also notes that unlike other sports, in Formula 1 the number of places is limited to 20. So if you are no longer wholeheartedly into it, then you should stop and give another guy a chance. But that is not yet the case with him. Moreover, Sebastian Vettel has never finished out of P4 in all the races ever happened in Baku. So he was asked the secret to succeed in Baku, to which he replied, "I didn't know that, but I take it that way and I can hopefully build on this trend. In my opinion, the secret is to trust the car and trust the track. It takes the full trust to get the last bit out of it." The bottom line is that it is still a street circuit with little room for error. The weekend here is never very easy because the wind can blow quite strongly. So there is not just one secret: drive fast, do not have an accident. In an interview, Fernando Alonso was asked if he's enjoyed driving Formula 1 car after 2-year hiatus, to which he replied, "It's better than expected, to be honest. I have so much fun every weekend and I really enjoying driving. I needed the 2 years off. I was in Formula 1 for 18 years and gave everything. At some point, it just asked too much." AlphaTauri driver Yuki Tsunoda is amazed at the good qualifying performance of Pierre Gasly and is especially enthusiastic about his talent in changing winds. Mercedes team boss Toto Wolff believes motorsport needs to be made much more affordable for youngsters after Lewis Hamilton said Formula 1 has become a billionaire boys club. Callum Ilott is confident for 2022. Callum Ilott firmly believes in getting a Formula 1 cockpit in the upcoming year, but new competition from Formula 2 threatens him. Back to reality for Leclerc and Ferrari in Baku. In an interview, Charles Leclerc said, "We are fighting for 4th or 5th place in Baku. I think Ferrari said that the track was not as good as Monaco, which was mainly due to particularly long straights in Baku. Max Verstappen still makes small mistakes." Mercedes team boss Toto Wolff trusts Max Verstappen to win the world title in 2021. But he also reminds us that Lewis Hamilton has significantly more experience, as Max lacks experience and makes more mistakes. Toto should look at his front wings. Red Bull advisor Helmut Marko said, if Mercedes protests in Baku against the flexible rear wings on the Red Bull RB16B, then Red Bull will also lodge a performance protest against the flexible front wing on Mercedes F1 W12. Verstappen has to go to the limit more than Hamilton. Max Verstappen is going into a Formula 1 weekend as a World Championship leader for the first time. Ralf Schumacher now sees greater pressure on the Dutchman.
Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.